We have a special live session here. So we're about to hit our moonshot goal of 1 million users on our platform, and I'll talk a little bit about what that is. But for those of you who are joining us ad hoc and live, just wanted to welcome you all to this session and give you an idea what we are doing here. So we also have the rest of the KodeKloud team here with us. So as you can see, yeah, you can wave. You can see there's everyone else from our team here. We have Carl, Gordon, Priyanka, Karthik, Jacob, and we're all here to celebrate a major milestone in KodeKloud's history. So let me tell you what that is. So in 2022, back we set ourselves a goal for ourselves, and that was to educate 1 million users through our labs. So this was the first time that we had created our courses, released our labs, and we had started seeing a lot of traction on the platform. And at that time, we had about 150,000 users. And when I say users, I'm really referring to not people who just signed up, who just created an account or watched a video or anything. I'm referring to people who have actually got value from our platform, people who have taken a lab, learned something from our lab on the platform. And that's what we meant at that time by, that was our key KPI, top KPI, which was to educate a person through our labs. And we believed in learn by doing, and that was the best way to learn. And so we decided that we're going to set a goal for ourselves to educate 1 million users through our labs. And at that time, we were at about 150,000. And in 2023, we hit about 300,000. And let's see where we are today. We have a live dashboard that we've built. You can access it by going to kodekloud.com/studio/moonshot, and you'll be able to see that there is a live counter. So we're about 999,977. So about 27 to go, 78 now, 79. All right. So I had planned that we were going to do this live, and this was pretty ad hoc because I didn't expect that we were going to hit 1 million today. So this was planned for a little bit later, where we had an all hands, and my original plan was we would bring it up then. But it looks like we're going to hit that pretty soon. So I think we can stay on the screen for a little bit and maybe cheer together once we hit the milestone. Yeah. So I think, and when we set the goal originally, we had mentioned that we would hit it. Our goal was to hit it within the next 2 years or so. So yeah, we're at the end of 2025, and I think this is the perfect time. So 999,986. If we can bring.
I have to ask a question, Mumshad.
Yeah.
This is a far cry from one guy creating courses in Udemy, right? When people were still asking what a container was, right?
Yeah.
Could you have imagined that 3 years there would be 8 times the growth, that you would be here approaching 1 million lab learners here in 2025?
No, of course not. Absolutely not.
Yeah.
I think, and of course, it wouldn't have been possible if I was that one man. I think the best thing that I did was build the team around it, and yeah, I mean the 3x growth wouldn't have been possible otherwise.
Oh yeah, I don't. Even just joining when I did, I don't know that I could stop gushing about the team that we have. So we're not going to go down that road because it's absolutely amazing.
All right, there we go, guys. Just 6 more to go. $995, $996. Oops. There we go. Did I lose my screen?
No, we can still
Nope.
see it.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Yep.
I can't see it.
Yeah, we're at 996, 997, 98, 999. We're right there, Mumshad. One more.
Can you see it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There we are. Woo!
All right. And we're already past it by 3.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, and continues to rise. Congratulations, everyone. That's incredible.
Congrats, everyone. Yeah. Actually, can you really see it? But I can't see it on my.
Yeah. Yeah, and it still keeps climbing.
Yeah.
All right. Oh man.
All right. Awesome. Cool. So I have a couple of things that I wanted to share. So maybe we can use the opportunity to just go over some of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Cool. So some of the recent releases we've had in the past couple of weeks, some of the big releases. So a lot of our students from our community had been asking us for the mobile app for a long time. And, we originally, I think for a couple of years now, and we never really prioritized it because we were like really focusing on building the team around the curriculum and building the courses and, getting that right, building the courses in the labs. And we found ourselves, some resources and time the past 6 months with new members joining our team. And I'm happy to say that we finally have our mobile app that's gone live in both App Store and Google Play Store the last week. So if anyone's watching this and have not tried the app yet, please download and try it. And we've made some improvements already in the past couple of weeks in terms of using the native video player and things like that. So the experience should be really smooth now. So again, kudos to the team, the engineering team on pulling this off, engineering and product team on pulling this off in such a short period of time. Happy to, we have a lot more really interesting stuff that's going to be coming up on the mobile app, new learning experiences. So watch out for that. Another thing we rolled out, again, something that you've asked us for a long time, is the dark theme. So we had a dark theme just for the labs, but we decided that we're going to support that throughout the platform. So we would also now be able to see the new dark theme on our platform. I think we have the Golden Kubestronaut that's happening, the Golden Kubestronaut cohort that was launched recently, and we're able to maybe we want to talk about that, Michael, for a bit. What we are doing with the Golden Kubestronaut cohort.
Yeah, I think we realized that it's always better to kind of study with people and kind of a group. And so as kind of leveraging what we did with kubestronaut, right, which was just the 5 certifications, we created the Golden Kubestronaut and have been running cohorts. This is obviously the October cohort that's shown on the screen here, where one can go through and get all 15 certifications as a group, building on top of what you already have as kubestronaut. So yeah, it's been very successful. Leaderboards, study groups, connecting sessions, just talking about the different certifications and kind of walking through it as a group so that someone doesn't just go alone into what is probably arguably the most, like the largest and the most difficult meta certification that you can get, which is Golden Kubestronaut. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And it's been very successful. Mumshad, you might be on mute.
Oh, sorry. So we have new cohorts that are starting the beginning of 2026. So watch out for that space. Lots of things happening in this space going forward. Another platform feature that we released was the Razor Pay integration for India. I know there's been some challenges with processing international payments, so we've integrated Razor Pay as an additional option just last week. So if you've had any challenges there, I think that should help with that. All right, we also have some of the new courses that we recently released. So as part of the Golden Kubestronaut, we had the Open Telemetry Certified Associate course that was released by Amrit and Sanjeev. So that was the last course as part of the Golden Kubestronaut series that we had to do to cover all of them. And of course, we also had the Certified Argo Project Associate course as part of that, and the Kyverno Certified Associate, the KCA certification course as well. And apart from that, we also released a few other fundamental courses on data engineering fundamentals, also followed by the Google Certified Professional Data Engineer certification, and some other fundamental course on SRE as well as RAG.
Yeah, and I think we continue to chase AI enhanced DevOps and MLOps and all that space. So you're going to see a lot more from us. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, and I think the biggest announcement for the week is really the CKS Ultimate Mock Exam Series. So we have, and again, this is something that you've been asking us for a long time. So if you have noticed, if you haven't noticed, the past couple of months, we've been making updates to all of our Kubernetes courses. So the CKA, CKAD courses have already been updated with the latest information. And we're also working right now on updating the CKS course. But as part of that, we've also released a new Ultimate Mock Exam Series for CKS that just went live last week. And this was led by Noran. So Noran, would you like to share a little bit about what this is about, and how long did it take for you to build it, and what can we expect out of this?
Yeah, definitely. I just wanted to chip in as well on the Golden Kubestronaut path that the OTCA has been the last one. So currently we have courses for all the learning path. So that's a great achievement. We have created the courses for all the 15 courses, or updated the ones that we have already. So now the full learning path is there, which is amazing. And for the CKS, it has always been requested that we add an ultimate mock exam course for that as well. So what we did was we followed the same thing that we have done with the CK and CKAD, because people have been loving that. And we checked out the CNCF concepts and dependencies and core competencies that they have announced on the exam. We have created 3 mock exams that depict the same, or like follow the same weightage of the exam. And it's actually like a long exam. It's going to prepare everybody for the toughness of the exam, I would say, the level of toughness of that exam. That exam pretty much was the hardest exam of all the Kubestronaut exams that I've taken, to be honest. So it's a long one. So don't hate us if you don't finish on time, because this is probably what's going to happen in the actual exam. So just to prepare you for what you're going to face in the actual exam. So it's a long one. It's a pretty hard one as well, with a lot of weightages following the competencies announced by CNCF. And myself and Riham took the long time to review it once again and again, just to make sure that everything is fine. Again, we appreciate your feedback once you're taking that. So I just hope that this is going to help further the CKS enthusiasts and the ones who are preparing for the exam to actually achieve their goal.
Yeah. So you have made sure you have made this like extra hard, right?
Yeah.
That way they'll be like, oh, the exam is a relief after taking the ultimate certified CKS,
exactly.
right?
Yeah, that's the goal here, right? So awesome job on that, Nurhan. Thank you so much for all the effort that's spent on it.
Thank you.
Cool. Just following up on that, the next one is about AI Ops learning paths. So we've been working on a bunch of what we call learn by doing courses. So these are just lab-based courses on AI Ops, and we have about 5 of them that's gone out the last week. Ryan, would you like to maybe share a little bit about that too?
Yeah, definitely. So again, as per the core of KodeKloud, we are helping people to learn by actually doing. So we have released 6 actually courses that are related to AI ops. This has been as well requested by many people to provide more courses related to AI ops. So we released 2 beginner, 2 intermediate, and 2 advanced courses. So I urge everybody to actually try and take these, give us feedback, and maybe we can do more advanced courses or video enabled courses if these are ones that you actually like. They cover all the aspects of AI ops from the beginning, from like having just a basic journey, starting into that, into the advanced concepts of using distribute tracing and ML ops with AI ops and stuff like that. So give it a try. The 6 courses are actually launched, and there is going to be a learning path published very very soon on the website. And we're going to actually add a little bit more courses as well as we go in December. So stay tuned to these as well.
So Michael, a lot of the tech that we've been teaching on our platform for the past like couple of years, they're directly relevant to the AI ops, workflows, right? So ultimately, all the AI related ops work are going to be powered by Kubernetes and all the monitoring tools that are supported around the DevOps portfolio that we've been like teaching the past couple of years. So I guess a lot of these new courses are targeting those specifically. For example, I'm just looking at this one here on distributed tracing, root cause analysis, and I think the focus here is how do we host AI workflows on as microservices on clusters, and how do we use open telemetry to monitor and monitor the workload.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a valid point actually, because I think somewhere people sometimes get really excited about AI and don't realize that somewhere it's just another application that we end up having to host, monitor, log, trace, to like do all the stuff with. So the courses mainly, I think, seem to be like we're really talking about how we do the same things that we've always done with applications, but how do we do it and inject machine learning and Gen AI operations into our IT operations. So I think that's what the AI ops piece is all about. So yeah, totally agree. I mean, we are still relentlessly focused on enabling the evolution of DevOps as it gets more into AI ops and LLM ops and ML ops. And so these courses are really just about applying a lot of what we already know to DevOps into the LLM, into the Gen AI space. So yeah, totally agree. And hands-on, right? So, I mean, right into the, getting right into it right off the bat. So yeah, just as much theory, but a whole lot more of the expertise building as you build systems.
Yeah, awesome. All right, so moving on to the next one, we had released the 100 Days of DevOps track on KodeKloud Engineer, our Learn by Doing platform, and we had like huge success with this. Lots of people engaged on a daily basis and completing the 100 tasks, and these are like 100 hands-on tasks that you do, one task a day, right? And so following the success of that, we're now launching what we have, the 100 Days of Cloud. So we have 50 AWS tasks and 50 Azure for now, and hopefully in the future we'll have Google too. And these are, again, you'll be working on real AWS environments. So these are not stuff that you do on your own, or these are not just information or tasks that we give you or projects that we give you and ask you to do on your own. These are tasks that you will do on our platform on real AWS environments, real Azure environments. You'll get the keys that are needed, so there is no limitation to access to infrastructure, and you'll be given tasks. And not only are you given tasks, we'll then make sure and validate that you've done those correctly, just like how we do for all of our other lab environments. So the difficulty starts with like super basic stuff, creating key pair, creating security group, but then it evolves into deploying full-fledged applications on cloud environments. So really excited about this. If you haven't already, go check out KodeKloud Engineer and start with the 100 Days of Cloud. And note that this is also once you're part of, once you've completed your 100 days of DevOps, this would be a natural progression to 100 days, to the next 100 days practice. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Once again, just want to thank everyone for being here. Let me also bring the KodeKloud team back on screen for you all to say hi once again. Again, thank you so much to everyone, our community, our students, as well as everyone internally, our trainers, our engineers, our support staff, our marketing people, and our finance, customer support, in making this a huge milestone for us. Couldn't have done it without you. So thank you so much, everyone, for your support. And yeah, maybe you can wave hi to everyone, and we can end it. Right.